Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm making firecracker masala fries. Packed with flavour, they are a perfect comfort food. Start by either deep frying or oven baking the chips. Whilst the chips are cooking, heat the oil on a medium heat. Add the onion, stir frequently for a couple of minutes. Add in the garlic and ginger paste as well as the tomato puree and chopped finger chilies and fry for a minute. Chuck in the coriander powder, salt, chilli, turmeric, chaat masala, black pepper, cumin and garam masala. Fry for a couple of minutes, stirring frequently. Add a couple of squirts of lemon juice, stir through, then tip in the fries and stir to gently coat. Tip into your serving container and serve with a sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander, sliced red and green finger chilies. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.